If you want to connect your USB flash drive to your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, grab your flash drive or USB flash drive ready and make sure that it's compatible with USB-C. That's what we need. Now, let's grab our adapter. Let's locate our charging port and let's insert it right into our phone. Great. Now let's check whether it's working correctly. So open up your Files application. Great. And in your files, you gotta locate your mass storage. That's gonna be our USB as drive. So there it is. It's added right here, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.